Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at YouTube banners. We're going to show you how to make something simple, something nice. I may speed through and tweak some things. I'm using Photoshop right now. You don't have to use Photoshop. There are free versions of this kind of editing software using GIMP, something simple. I'm going to make something extremely, extremely simple and show you, how I go about it. Alright, my guys, I got it finished. All I did was add a blue to white granite on the background. Add a polka dot effect with opposite colors going up and down. I googled theater sign and just grabbed the default, clip art. I used I think it's called, what is it? Broadway font. Thought it was appropriate. And I used a colored shadow on it with a stroke effect on it. If you do not have Photoshop, or I don't know, if you have a friend, or honestly, I'd just go to Fiverr. You could get something made like this for maybe $5, $15, whatever. If you don't have the skills or the time to learn the skills associated with making digital art, it's always a good idea to look for a cheaper solution to that. Let's say Fiverr. Most people charge $5 for something. The default image that I started out with is going to be down below. So if you do want to learn, the dimensions, how far the blue lines from left to right is always wanting to be filled. You never want to leave that out. The dimensions of the whole picture is exactly what will fit on your YouTube banner, so make sure that you get that correct. And if I'll double check on that. Yeah, 2560 by 1440 is the pixel measurement. So make sure you keep that in mind, and whichever you decide to do, whatever you guys want to see next, just leave a comment down below, or send me an email. I'll be in the description. Check out our other channels. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be looking at how to make a thumbnail, or not a thumbnail, Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be looking at how to make a profile picture for your YouTube channel. If you were with us last episode, if you were with us last episode, we made a banner. So I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to convert it into a profile picture. Almost made a mistake there. I normally make JPEGs, but in this circumstance, you want to pick PNG to make it a transparent background. This is just how I do if I've already made this. I'm going to make it bigger for a higher resolution. Get rid of this. Let's see. Let's go over the standard dimension for your profile picture is 200 by 200. So always make sure you have that up and ready. You're going to see it from very small. It's going to be very small, but I still like to make a background color for it pop. Good contrast between the colors. You can see it, and that's the main thing. Especially with the profile picture, you want to make contrast to make it more visible because it is very small. You'll see other YouTubers use bright red as their background, bright blue. You want something bright to help you stick out. Alright, now we're back at our YouTube channel. We're going to customize channel, add channel art, drop it right in. As you see, it fits perfectly on all three. And boom. Now we're going to go here. It'll take us to our Google. Oh. Gonna upload new photo. I'm gonna click on our thumbnail. And boom. It'll take a couple minutes for this to show up. Let's refresh that, see if that pops up or not. There you go. And you're ready to start making videos. Once we upload in our next video, assuming you guys know how to make videos, if not, I'll do another video on that. I'm going to upload a video here and show you what you can do to make it more appealing, kind of like editing your front page. But if there's anything specific you guys want to see, let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Shots of Patron, Miss Selena. You're to blame for this one. Hold on, I feel it coming out of me. It's painful. I didn't stand a ghost of a chance. Heather asks, Naruto and Geno's. First I thought you meant the pizza. I was really confused for a minute.